Farmhouse fall DIY decor, and I'm gonna be using Dollar Tree items to make this beautiful and super budget friendly DIYs. I have two projects to share with you and I really like both of them, but I don't know, I'm just in love with the second one. So let me know in the comments down below which one is your favorite, and you can give me a big thumbs up because it really helps to support my channel. And if you are new here and you like DIYs, home decor, trash to treasure, make sure to subscribe to my channel, and very important, make sure to hit the bell to get notified every time I upload a new video. If you want to see how I made these two DIYs using Dollar Tree items, just keep watching. Hola mis amores y bienvenidos a mi canal nuevamente. Estoy muy feliz porque estén aquí, y para el video de hoy voy a estar haciendo otra decoración estilo Farmhouse para esta temporada de otoño, y voy a estar utilizando materiales de Dollar Tree para hacer estos proyectos sumamente económicos. Voy a estar haciendo dos proyectos y me encantaron los dos, pero creo que el segundo es mi favorito. Déjame saber en los comentarios cuál fue el tuyo, y si te gustaron, por favor déjame un bonito like. Además, si eres nuevo por aquí, te gustan los DIYs, las decoraciones de hogar y los trash to treasure, asegúrate de suscribirte a mi canal, y demasiado importante es que actives esa campanita de notificaciones para que tu teléfono te notifique cada vez que yo suba un nuevo video. Mis amores, quiero dejarles saber que tengo un canal de vlogs en familia, se llama Familia Hasta la Luna. Dejo por aquí el nombre, y en la descripción de este video voy a estar dejándoles también el link por si quieren suscribirse. Es un canal en español donde les comparto mi vida diaria con mis niños, con mi esposo, mi familia y todas esas cositas, así que son más que invitados también a suscribirse a ese canal. Y bueno, si quieren ver cómo hago el proyecto de hoy utilizando materiales de Dollar Tree, solo quédense viendo.
Okay guys, so for the first project I will be using this rectangle plastic tray from Dollar Tree, and what I'm going to be doing is cleaning it with this glass cleaner so that the paint is like better sealed. This project is inspired by a decoration that I saw at Walmart this year, but I also saw that Hobby Lobby had a similar one, so it's like a mix of both. And I'm going to change the color of my tray with my semi-gloss white spray paint. When it is dry, I'm going to create an enamel look on my tray with black paint and just highlighting the edges of the tray. I always use this type of sponges and I love them so much, so I leave the link in the description box of this video where I get them. From there, I will use this Dollar Tree nautical rope, and I'm going to make a knot at one end. Then I decide how long I want the handles to be for the tray and make another knot and cut the excess, and you're supposed to make two of these handles. I will be placing my tray on the wall, so since the handles are going to be decoration, I will glue them with hot glue, but you could also put E6000 glue to make it stronger. Once you heat the handles on each end of the tray, I decide to put some black paint to make them look a little darker. From there, I will use these metal letters from Dollar Tree. I'm going to use the word thankful, and I will be painting it with my spray paint in ultra matte black. Then to stick it, I use my super glue, also from the Dollar Tree, and I stick it in the center of my tray. Now you could also use this stickers that also brings the word thankful, but I had already used it. And the rest of the words I think are a bit small for this project, so that's why I use the metal letter. What I'm going to be using are the stickers of leaves, and I'm going to stick one to each end of the word thankful on my tray. And that will be all for the first project. You just have to put a piece of rope with some hot glue and tape on the back to hang it on the wall, or leave it like that to use it on a surface. It's a super easy and cheap project that I just love it. I love it. Our second project is inspired by several ideas that I saw on Pinterest. I'm going to start using 2 of these Dollar Tree paddle cutting boards, preferably white because that way you will not have to paint it. The first thing I'm going to be doing is sanding them to create a different texture so that when you paint it, it would look is seen. I saw this idea in the channel of my beautiful friend Cuban Curls, so check her channel because this girl is amazing doing DIYs with different techniques. And 2 things, you should sand your cutting boards in just one direction, and you should do it with a strong sandpaper, and it's supposed to look something like this. I'm going to be joining the cutting boards and use popsicle sticks with hot glue and my E6000 glue as well. You must put enough popsicle sticks to create a base that is strong and withstand the weight of what you put on it. From there, I decide to hit this Dollar Tree plastic golf balls with hot glue and my E6000 glue, and I'm going to hit 4 balls on the cutting boards, and this will be the legs. You could also hit another ball in the center for more support to the cutting boards. To give it a wooden look, I will use my Waverly wax in antique color, and with a brush I will apply the wax in just one direction and covering the white color of the cutting boards. Guys, I want to let you know that I have a PO box so you can send me letters or anything you want, because you know that I really love knowing about you. So I'm gonna leave here on the screen my address and in the description box of every single video. You should also paint the bottom of your cutting boards and the golf balls. Once you have painted, my friend, you should let it dry for several hours before decorating. And in what it dries, I will be using these pumpkin fillers from Dollar Tree. I will only use the pumpkins and I will paint them with my Waverly chalk paint in mineral color so that they have like a more neutral color, because I'm not a big fan of the orange color. I'm sorry. And I give him 2 coats of paint for more coverage. Then I create some stems using part of the pumpkin filler branches, and I just cut a piece and insert them into the pumpkins. Now I'm going to use a bigger pumpkin and I'm going to paint it in mineral color also, just to have a lighter base color. Then I will be using this buffalo check scarf from Dollar Tree. I'm going to cut a piece of scarf that is large enough to cover the pumpkin. From there, I will make a small gap in the pumpkin with these tweezers. I'm going to put hot glue on it, and you start inserting all the extra fabric so you will have a well-lined pumpkin. And then you can paste the stem that your pumpkin brought and that I actually painted in brown. and that's simple. You can cover your pumpkins with buffalo check fabric. I will be doing the same with 3 other small pumpkins, cutting a piece of scarf, making a small gap in the pumpkin, sticking it and inserting the fabric. And to these little girls, I put the same piece of branch as the first pumpkins that I paint, and they are super easy, and I just think they are super cute. And guys, this is how our second project looks like all together. The cutting boards with the pumpkins, and I added a candle and deer antlers that I had from last year from Hobby Lobby. Just perfect for an entry table or dining table for this fall season. I really had a lot of fun doing these projects, and I hope with all my heart that you like them and give me a big thumbs up for this project. If so, leave your comment and share the video with friends and family, and make sure that you are subscribed to my channel and don't miss any of my upcoming videos. See you this Thursday with another fun DIY on a budget. Mwah! Love you so much, guys. Bye.